What's up, guys? This is Josh over at Lead and Iron. I got it. I got my iPhone. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon here in California, and I got my iPhone, guys. I'm so excited. Packaging is pretty simple, all paper so far. Open that up, put that to the side. Nestled in there, real nice. So I'm guessing this is the way I return my iPhone too. Okay, so nothing else in here, as you can see. All paper so far, all paper product. So here it is. No plastic, just this sticky paper it looks like. But here's the front. They went back to displaying the rear of the iPhone on the box. iPhone is black. I chose the graphite. And here we go. Let's see if I can do this. That was it. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. There we go. Here we go, guys. I'm so excited. If I can open it, that'd be great. Oh, okay, so it doesn't come off the bottom, all right? The box is connected. And I'm gonna have to tell you, those camera bumps, they're pretty large. That's pretty large. All right, I'm okay with that. They were so big that they had to put it in the box. Man. Excited. Lift up. iPhone out. Paper. Still paper. And that's all that's in the box. It's just this charging cord. No brick. And our paperwork. So let me put this down. And see. Yep. Looks like they still give you just one Apple sticker. And of course your pen. So we keep that. Guys, this is so awesome. Alright. Belle of the ball. I like that they kept with the shiny, though it is a fingerprint magnet. Still gorgeous. Look at that. My goodness. Alright, here we go. Let's unbox it. Unbox it. Let's peel this off. Paper. Still paper, guys. It's still satisfying. Bam. There it is. Came with some juice, guys. The sad part is you guys get to see this before I do. I gotta look at it through a screen. Oh, it says hello. Oh, that's so cool. Not just smaller, visibly smaller, you can tell. You can tell. Wow. You can tell that it's also kind of, it came down a little bit, it looks like. So it shrunk this way, but it looks like it got longer this way. Oh. All right, let's see what she says. Hello. Hello is right. All right. English. United States. Set up manually. Oh. Right, yeah. Alright. Join in my internet here. Ooh. I don't even know what it is. looks like it's coming. Looks like I got it right. I hope. Oh, alright, next. May take a little bit to activate my phone. So, like I said, I did get the auto box for it. I do have an auto box for my phone here. And also a screen protector. I'm going to set this up, guys. Bear with me. Alright guys, I'm setting this up from my other iPhone. I don't know if you got to see, I'll make sure you guys get to see that part, but this is pretty cool. It's a cool feature, I think. It's really innovative. Like before, there used to be a whole bunch of these cables that we used to have to connect it to a PC and stuff, and now you can just literally just go from phone to phone. Before, it was such a headache, I'm telling you guys. Getting a phone was something else back in the day. It used to take half a day at least. Anyway, I got this screen protector here. It was about 15 bucks, so it wasn't too expensive. Like, this is my new phone. Hopefully. So this is considerably heavier. Now this is just the phone, and the phone weighs heavier than my case in my old phone. Maybe this one with the case is just a little bit heavier, but not by much, guys. I'm telling you. These camera bumps, though. This graphite is just gorgeous. I had to match my my MacBook Pro, guys, so that's why. That is why I went with the graphite. But this around, man, it is gorgeous. Like I'm saying, I went from 11 Pro Max to 13 Pro Max. Pretty interesting. I wish it would have gone USB-C here. If you guys could see, I mean, that lightning cable's kind of like older technology, but so far I'm really happy with this. Beautiful. It's a beautiful phone. I should have gotten like I don't have a, but they said that they're having compatibility issues because the camera bumps are so big. I wanted to get the MagSafe charger. Maybe I will, I don't know yet. But gonna put this in that. Put my screen protector on. Finish. It's gonna take about 13 minutes, guys, so I'll catch up with you guys after this is done. Alright, to wrap up this unboxing video, I did run into a little bit of problem with my Apple ID, but that's getting taken care of right now. Evidently I had two email addresses. Anyway, that sounds like my fault. But overall, the unboxing experience was great. Sure, it didn't have that plastic, wrap that we're used to, but it did provide the peel away, which was satisfying. Knowing that it's saving the earth, that's pretty cool. So we can get used to this paper. It was actually pretty cool. My first impressions, beautiful phone. A lot of people say that a lot of things that necessarily weren't updated. The cameras are huge. The experience of getting a new iPhone is always, pretty exciting and exhilarating because you want to find out, all the new modes that came out, iOS 15 that came on this, things like that. So my first impressions is quality. It feels more premium. The feeling of this, the weight of this phone makes it feel so much more premium than my 11 Pro Max. The user interface, of course, I'm very used to. I've been with iPhone since, I want to say 7. Like, I went through the 4S and I necessarily didn't like it because it was almost too small for my hands, but then the 7 Plus came out when the 7 Plus came out, and realized that you can do all the same stuff on Google on an iPhone. I immediately changed. I haven't looked back since. I love the interface, user interface on this. It's very simple, you know, easy to use, and it just makes sense. Overall, if you're looking to go from an iPhone 11 Pro Max or, you know, earlier, so XR or like even a 6S, this is going to be, if you're coming from a 6S, this is going to be a game changer for you. It's going to be so much more crazy than what you're used to, because I'm telling you, like, these cameras are crystal clear, they're amazing. A video is coming on that. We're going to do macro mode, we're going to do cinematic mode, and we'll do the whole video will be on the iPhone, just to kind of, so you guys get an idea of the things it can do. But overall, like I said, I'm happy with it. I'm really glad that I went this route. I'm glad that I purchased this 13 Pro Max. After looking at the colors, the Sierra Blue looks cool, but to me it's more like if my wife were to have a phone, she would probably go for like the Sierra Blue, because it's more like a powder blue, baby blue kind of color, the way I see it anyway. So I'm typically like, if I have a graphite MacBook Pro, I'm gonna have a graphite phone. Silver MacBook Pro, I'd have a silver phone. So it just kind of depends on that. Hopefully in October, the new MacBook Pros come out, so we'll see what those are about. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm sorry this video just kind of like fell off, because I did have trouble with that with that Apple ID. It threw me for a loop, and then I had to contact Apple, and then they're trying to fix it, and then they told me I have to wait 24 hours to make sure it's me. So I'm still currently kind of waiting for that. It's going to be a little while. kind of sucks that I have to still carry around 2 phones to do what I want to do for now. But once it's all resolved, I'm pretty sure that I'll have no issues with it at all. But anyway, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment saying that you subscribe. We'll enter you into our free giveaway drawing. And I gotta go because my back hurts.